Hello folks, this is Steve AB40L. Pulled in here for a reason. As I was going by, it looked to me like that storefront was empty. Now the reason why I'm interested, and I decided to circle around and come in and check. See, there's no sign for the convenient care clinic that I sometimes use at this address. Now, that means they've pulled up stakes and they're not servicing Asheboro anymore. Their main office is not in Asheboro, and I don't remember receiving a notice of them going out of business. Now, I say convenient care, that was their brand logo, urgent care. So the traffic must have gone low enough that they decided to close shop or move to a different location. Now, bear with me. We're in the vicinity of the hospital. I'm waiting for the traffic. See, the eatery across the way is doing fine. Okay, let me just get down gently. So this is one of the older cemeteries in Asheboro, downtown Asheboro, on the right. And those buildings up ahead are the Randolph Hospital. So if you wanted to go to the emergency room, you would come here. This is the emergency entrance right here. And this is the inconvenient parking garage next door. Now, although I usually would continue straight ahead, see Randolph Health, outpatient, da-da-da. If I were going to the outpatient, I would turn in here, and in a certain sense, now I'm going here for a reason. Now this building on the left, among other things, is the Randolph Orthopedics, which I have been a customer of. Now, look diagonally across. You see it says Fast Pace Health, Urgent Care. They started building that, clearing that lot, tearing the old building down, and building that structure slowly over the period of a couple of months last year, like last summer, or going into the fall. And now, just very recently, like within the last 2 months at most, they actually opened up the urgent care business. Now, where I had come to go look at that other place, I passed another urgent care. Are you getting the picture? We're right within 2 blocks of the hospital, and an urgent care that's been there for 2 years is closed suddenly, and one that's just opened looks like it's open for business right now. What am I saying? High competition amongst about 5 or 6 urgent care locations, several of which are actually also associated with multi-doctor practices. And they reached, and look over here to the diagonal right, that building, Premier Medical. You see what it says up top? There's an urgent care in there also. As a matter of fact, you can walk in for the urgent care. Now it's closed because of the time, but it's right there, that one right there, on the ground floor on the corner. They also do x-rays and that sort of thing. That's a medical, more or less a medical complex there on the left. So in Asheboro, which is the county seat of Randolph County, there's growing competition in the medical services area. And why would that be happy? Now this is going to sound preposterous. I'm headed home. I'm headed out to US 64, and I'm going to go east toward Raleigh. And if you went all the way to the county line, as though you're going to Siler City, that's where the Wolfspeed billion-dollar plant was constructed. And with the kind of people they will be hiring and the incomes they will be making, many of them would be relocating to what is a place to work that's in the middle of farmland. So they're going to be moving into new housing or existing housing, either in the Siler City area or in the Asheboro Ramseur area. That's us. So what we've seen is a buildup of what we could call infrastructure businesses, among which are healthcare, including urgent care, and over the last 3 years for sure, hospitals in 3 different counties surrounding Randolph County have built specialist medical offices in the vicinity of the Randolph Hospital. So there's huge competition for sick patients of all kinds right here in the heart of Randolph County. So then the question becomes, in Randolph County, which is one of the larger North Carolina counties, mainly rural, very rectangular in shape, I got to be careful about slush and not losing control. Asheboro is the only place in Randolph County with a hospital. Go look at the map of how large Randolph County is. Yes, there's a hospital 30 miles further west in Lexington. Yes, there's multiple hospitals 30 miles more or less north of us in Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point, and Burlington. But in our county, which is huge and mainly rural, agricultural, there's only one, and it's in Asheboro, and that partially explains what's going on there. And this all started with me noticing that the convenient care location that I have occasionally used when my doctor's office was closed, like I get sick at 8 p.m., they have left in the face of close by growing competition. All right, I've run my mouth enough. Steve AB4L, being careful about how he heads home on these iced up roads, saying see you in 73.